Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Hold on to your seats because we've got some electrifying news about Samsung's much-anticipated Galaxy S24 series, and it's causing quite a stir, especially with the Galaxy Unpacked event just around the corner on January 17, 2024. It appears that someone out there managed to snag an early sneak peek and unboxed the Galaxy S24 Ultra, giving us a tantalizing glimpse into what's in store before vanishing into the digital ether. The leaked images that surfaced on Twitter showcased the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a mesmerizing gold hue, boasting an all-new titanium frame. This marks a significant departure from Samsung's usual curved screen design, embracing a completely flat screen this time around. It's a bold move that's bound to turn heads. But that's not all, my tech-savvy friends. The leaked promotional materials, courtesy of tech leak guru Evan Blass, offer us a sneak peek into the cutting-edge features of the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung is placing the spotlight on its enhanced Galaxy AI, promising a more intuitive and intelligent mobile experience. Some key features include Circle to Search with Google, a nifty tool that allows users to search anything on their screen without the need for taking screenshots, and Live Translate for lightning-fast call translations. And if you thought note-taking couldn't get any smarter, think again. The Note Assist AI feature is poised to revolutionize note-taking, simplifying tasks like summarizing, formatting, and translating notes. Now, let's talk photography and videography because the Galaxy S24 Ultra is gearing up to be a powerhouse in this department. It boasts a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main camera, the ability to record in glorious 8K, and a mind-boggling 100x space zoom. But don't think the standard Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are slouching. They come packed with their own array of advanced features and specifications. As we inch closer to the big launch date, these leaks have certainly cranked up the excitement for Samsung's latest flagship series. Stay locked in for more updates, and get ready to dive into all the amazing details about the S24 series very soon.